Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of opening an account with Markets4you broker through the TradingFinder website together. We enter the video related to Forex brokers, select the Markets4you broker and click on the Go to Website option. We select the desired language and the page related to the Markets4you website opens for us. In this section, we click on the Open Account option and complete the account opening details. In this section, we enter the country we reside in and the email that we haven't used to open an account with this broker before, along with a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and then click on the Confirm and Continue option. In this section, you see the page where a code is sent by the broker to your registered email. For verifying your email, we open the email, copy the code exactly, and click on the check option. In this section, you see a box that informs you if you want to learn step-by-step how to trade and how to use the site, and click on the Next option. Otherwise, click on End Tour. Your account opening with Markets4you broker on the Forex4You site has been successfully completed. In the next videos, we will go through the identity verification steps with this broker step by step, wishing you success and profitability.